One Serene Residences offers unmatched convenience, nestled in DHA Serene City, with the Takht Pari National Forest as its backdrop. Just minutes from Islamabad via the Islamabad Expressway, experience premium living. We've also seen the area progress as the Roots International School and Dolmen Mall are constructed, and further infrastructural developments continue to add value to property prices. Over the past few months, we've made remarkable progress, working day and night on this $40 million mega project. We've successfully excavated a massive 1,417,319 cubic feet, laying the groundwork for the project's foundation. To ensure stability and protect the site, a 96 cubic meter concrete retaining wall now spans 413 running feet along the ridge. Considering Islamabad's tropical weather, we are proud to announce that our international standard drainage system is complete. We've fabricated, installed and stressed a total of 8,855 kilograms of walla beams. Further strengthening the earth retention system, the tower crane foundation is complete with 52 cubic meters of concrete poured and the mast section installed. These milestones showcase our unwavering commitment to quality and precision, bringing us closer to realizing your dream of living your best life.
One Homes.
Live beyond.